Hello friends, welcome to my channel SVK Arts, and today we will learn the charcoal portrait drawing and their simple and easy techniques. So let's start the drawing. First we look at the material which we required. We need charcoal pencil, soft, one white charcoal pencil, charcoal stick, paper stamp, Tombow mono eraser, tissue paper, charcoal powder and one brush. Here I have made the portrait drawing of actress Nithya Menen. First take a soft charcoal pencil and try to make some facial outline such as eyes, eyebrows, lips, ears, etc. So later it's become easier to make a shading. Now the shading part. So I use the charcoal powder. It is made from the wooden charcoal. With the help of brush, color it all over hair areas. After that, take a soft charcoal pencil and do hair detailing. Keep reference picture besides. Observe carefully the darkness and the lightness of their hair. And according to that, make the hair shading. For the most darker part, I am using charcoal stick. Put the normal pressure and color it the darker part of the hair. After that, with the tissue paper, I will merge that darkness as per requirement. Now I am going to make the eyebrow shading and the shading around the eyes with the soft charcoal pencil. By using paper stamp, I smooth the surface, adding some more detailing in eyes and eyebrows hair. When we need to make a very light shading, that time we will use the charcoal powder. As per the image, we can make the shading. After that, again we are using the same tissue paper which we had already used in hair detailing, and make some skin and lips detailing. When we are making a detailing in small areas such as the gaps between the lips corner, eyelashes, that time we have to use the charcoal pencil. Make your pencil point sharp with cutter so it will give a proper lines. Use paper stamp whenever you feel to smooth the surface. Now use the Tombow Mono eraser to erase unwanted shading. And use white charcoal pencil to make some highlighted area on the face. Now again I am going to use the same tissue paper for clothes. But here I am not going to make a proper detailing in clothes because I want to give an artistic look. What is that? I will tell you further. So this is how I make the portrait of Nithya Menen with the charcoal. But it's not finished yet. There is another portrait I have drawn. So we will see that in a second part very soon. Now what you have to do? First of all, subscribe my channel. When I upload the second part, you will get a notification. So you don't need to search that video. Till the second part comes, whatever we have learned today, follow the steps and practice it by yourself. If you have any doubts, ask me in a comment section. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.